I'm Jessica Slaymaker and I'm from Coleg Powys and I'm on work placement at the Brigands Inn.
My name is Catherine Jones and I'm manager here at the Brigands Inn in Mallwyd. The relationship we have with Coleg Powys is that we are a business that students come in for practical experience and hands-on experience in the catering hospitality industry.
I'm on the third year now of a 3-year course. As part of the course they're sending me and 3 others off to 3 different placements. So we take 5 months in each place and yeah, we just gives us an opportunity to see different sectors and different businesses really and how each business is run.
Jessica is expected to do basically more or less anything that other staff members do, so that can be anything from waitressing to bar work to the kitchen to any ordering that's needed, and as well financial responsibility of cashing up as well. It's not just the theory work, they are expected to actually put what they've learned in college, theory-wise, into practice here.
On Mondays I go to college where we do master classes in butchery, or at the moment we're doing a vegetable unit, so we're doing vegetarian dishes. Obviously people ask, oh, what's in this dish, or you know, how would you make it and stuff, and because I've done it at college, or some dishes especially that we cook here we've done at college before, so I've got that bit of background knowledge really on how everything's done. And it's hard being front of house, but it's harder being in the kitchen. It's a lot of pressure. Check on table of 2, barbecue ribs and a club sandwich please.
The Brigands Inn is a hotel in essence that caters for a spectrum of different clients, which include the shooting fraternity, because we are a part of a bigger company called Betws Hall, which is the biggest pheasant rearing business that's going in the UK. Jess now has been a student with us since January. She came in at a very busy time when we were still in full flow with the shooting parties. They do expect a higher level of service to our normal clientele. They are a more discerning customer. They
like everything done perfectly for them. It was definitely scary because it was my first night here and I was already serving the boss of the business. Getting thrown at the deep end was definitely beneficial, I think.
We benefit immensely from the students, because at the end of the day a business is only as good as how much it develops, so therefore by bringing in new blood, you know, I feel that we do improve continuously and we do help other staff members to have an insight to what training is needed and maybe what their weaknesses and everybody else's weaknesses are, you know, management included as well. So there is a mutual benefit to both parties.
Where I live, there's not really that much opportunity to come out and work at somewhere like this. It'll benefit me in some way to really understand and maybe see what sort of place I'd like to work in after finishing here or finishing the course. And I do love this sort of job. I mean, I love being with the customers, and you know, you do everything you can to make sure that they do have the most enjoyable stay that they can.
If we don't get new blood into the industry, along with older, more experienced bloods, you know, it's not going to thrive at the end of the day. Both spectrums of age and experience do complement one another, and it is, in my opinion, the way that both sides learn from each other.
I definitely prefer the front of house aspect of it all. The opportunities are endless, I suppose. I definitely see myself being some sort of higher role maybe in the restaurant industry or hotel manager sort of. That's what I'd like to, or I aspire to be someday.